Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from a SIM card on the Samsung Galaxy A15. So in order to do that, go to your phone application. Make sure to open your Contacts tab at the bottom of your screen. Now, at the top right corner, find three horizontal lines. Click on it and press Manage Contact. Now, here in this menu, find Import Contacts. Tap on it as well and choose where you want to import your contacts from. So now we will be importing them from our SIM card. So simply press here. You've got your list of the contacts. So choose whatever you need. Simply tap on it. Also, if you want to import all of the contacts, here at the top left corner, you've got your all button. However, we don't need this right now, so I'll import just one. When you've decided with your contact, simply press done. And now you are to choose where to import this contact to. So you can import it to your Google account, to your Samsung account, or to your phone. I'll import them to my phone, okay? So simply press import. And now our contact is added to our phone. Press OK, and you're done. Now your contacts are copied to the device, and it's really important to remember that if your contacts already exist in accounts such as Google or Samsung account, they may appear as duplicates. You can manage the display of contacts through the Google Contacts application, which has options to select where to show contacts from. So I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.